Tune in to Workbench Wednesday to see how I got this 8 p.m. on YouTube and the other place. And here's a little thing that I did today. Well, I needed to start cleaning up the area so I have room for everything, so I could paint this wall right here. So I was able to go down so far. I got maybe about 80% of the way down. Let me turn this around. And I got everything stacked up in the back. Along the back and on the lower level. Until I can put everything back up there. Because cigar corners going up here and some other things. But here is a downtown garage. Still have to do the detail parts, but I'm going to paint the wall first. Just finished up painting some of the detail parts and weathering the building. So let's take a look at the gas pump and everything inside there. And I used some soot on the building. Painted the back. I might touch this up a little bit more. We got the it's kind of hard to get it in this one here, but let me change this one here. Okay, you get a view of it there. So that's it, and I spent some time painting the wall. Let me turn this around. I painted the wall blue from that end all the way down to the end, and that's as far as I got with the green until it was dinner time. But I got the deck in green also. So simulated some little trees in there, but we'll be able to do some more scenicking once we get that up there. So here, let me put this down here so we can get a good side view of it here. Let me see if I can get this light down here any closer. Too bad I can't get the light inside there. Let me try this. This one's a little bit lower. I'll get it from this end. Woohoo, let's try this. There we go. All right. Try to keep my finger out of the way. And let's turn this thing around.